and welcome to Adventures with Barbara. I'm in my car and I have a hole in my car seat because my son burnt my seat, clearly by accident. But anyways, he still burnt my car seat. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I went to match up the material and I found the right texture, but this is my problem. It's too light. As I was leaving, now this didn't cost me anything, which is good because I'm looking for free. So as I was leaving the shopping center where I'm still sitting, I saw a fabric store and I was like, okay, so I need something a little bit darker than what I had. And you can take pictures all day long, but unless you're outside in natural sunlight, you're really not going to tell. So I went to the fabric store. I was like, okay, these will work. This is my problem. They are too light. But as I was fiddling with the material, one flipped over. And guess what? I actually got one that actually matches. So I cut out a piece. There's the hole. I've already filled it in. And I'm going to fill that in. Glue it. And pray that it actually fits. So I got some fabric glue. You want something permanent and flexible, especially if it's on the seat. This one's Fusion Tack, and I will link all this up to the website with before and after pictures because I want to fill up that hole so it's not an indent and make it look as flushed as possible. So, till next time, y'all have a good day. Bye.